Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to take a look at some items I bought from Five Below recently. First up, we have this little Zoe doll with a little pink scooter. So it looks like you get the doll, the helmet, the scooter, and a little brush. Here it is out of the packaging. I noticed there are little places to put her feet in and little brackets that hold her wrist in. That way she stays on the little scooter. Here she is. I think the dress is cute. I'm not a huge fan of the flower, but overall it's cute. This doll does have some nice articulation. Unfortunately, these dolls do not have very good hair. If you change their hairstyle, they have huge bald areas. The little scooter is really cute. I think it'd be a good size for a Chelsea doll. Next up is this little teeny tiny Grilla Chillin set. I mainly bought this set because I wanted this little ketchup dispenser. I think it's really cute. Oh, this is a cute little like takeaway box. Here's the ketchup dispenser. And the design is on both sides. There's a little like food container. There's two little ketchup cups. One is empty and one is full. I think those are really cute. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe onion rings? A little bag of chips? A little drink. This drink is small, but I think maybe it could be like a little kid's drink. Some French fries. A little cheeseburger in a box, and it does come out of the box. I think it's really cute. It is a little small. There's also a chicken sandwich. There's a little bitty ice cream cone. I'm not sure what this is meant to be on a plate. It almost maybe a pancake. And I'm also not sure what this is. Maybe a cookie. And a little container of something. I think this little tray is really cute. This is a little like ice cream cup. And then we get a little like to-go bag to put the food in, which I think is really cute. Next, we have this Glam Squad doll I got from Five Below. It is a little yoga doll set. Here's the doll right out of the packaging. As soon as I went to bend her arm, it broke off. But she does have some good movement in her legs and in her other arm. The shirt velcros in the back and the pants just pull on with an elastic waist. Here's the outfit on a Made to Move Barbie. I think it's really cute. One thing is the little shoulder straps seem too big, so you could either tighten them down by sewing them, or you could just cut those out altogether. The little accessories are a little ball, a little weight. I believe this is a drink, a little blue towel, and the rolled up yoga mat. I didn't open this because I figured I would never get it back into the little carrier, but I think it's a pretty cute set. Next up at Five Below in the like little dollar spot, I found these they're cell phone holders, but I like to use these for chairs for the dolls. And I think these are a really good find for $1. They do seem a little small for the adult Barbies, but they're the perfect size for the Stacy doll. And I think they'd be really cute in like a little school. Next up, we have another teeny tinies. This is a guac and roll set, and I really wanted that little quesadilla make. We have a little bowl and I believe some little churros. This little dish with some food in it. This looks like a little sauce container maybe. We have a little street corn. Another one of the little like to-go bags. We have this little bowl. I couldn't tell if it was like a mortar and pestle or like a little salsa bowl. We got this little avocado crate. This little like food item. Another food item. I think this is really cute. It's a little taco holder with some little tacos and you can take them out. There's a really teeny tiny Coca-Cola bottle. There's this little, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a burrito. It almost looks like a hot dog, so I'm not sure. There's some little sauce packets. And here's the cute little quesadilla maker. I think it's so cute. It does come with a little like plastic quesadilla, but I think it would be really cute to use this little quesadilla maker with some clay maybe. Next up we have another little Zoe doll, and this is the influencer doll. I think she's really cute. Here's the doll out of the packaging. Her skirt and top are all one piece and they do Velcro in the back. This doll does not have very much articulation. It came with this little white box, which I'm assuming maybe it's like a little makeup box. It looks pretty kind of cheaply made. There's a little makeup palette. There are two little makeup brushes, this pink one and a little white fan brush. This little pink lipstick. And another little lipstick, and I'm assuming like a mascara maybe. It also comes with a smaller little compact that actually doesn't have anything on the inside. And then this is a little ring light on a tripod with a little phone attachment, and the phone does come off. The packaging for this doll gave me an idea. Let's build a little influencer room. I just put together a simple little white room box. I did cut out a spot for a window in the top, and I'm going to use these papers and cover the walls. Here it is with wallpaper up. I cut out some white strips of foam board and I'm going to glue them around to trim out the room. Next, I cut out a rectangle of foam board and I'm going to glue it here. I also made some supports to go underneath, and I'm just picturing like a long vanity with a little bookcase added in. I borrowed this stool from another room. I'm going to take some of this silver paper and make a little mirror. I'm just going to cut out a square and then I'm going to cover the edges with the pink scrapbook paper. I wanted to add a little something to the edge of the mirror, so I'm going to take this little tan ribbon and I'm just going to hot glue it all around on top of the pink paper. On this wall, I really want to create a little like backdrop space. I want to make like a little podcast area or a filming area. And I know this paper doesn't really match the other wallpaper, but I kind of want to use it. So I'm just going to hot glue it to the wall. And then I'm going to take these wooden coffee stirrers and just trim it out. I stole a few items from other doll rooms. I brought in this little rug, this pink rug, I'm going to bring in the little black chairs from Five Below, and I borrowed a little table to go in between them. Then I just pulled in a bunch of accessories and spread them all around the room. Some little baskets, makeup, little desk organizer stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.